everyone and welcome to another video by Life Crafters. In this video, we are going to be doing something different. Ladies and gentlemen, we are doing a Dior unboxing. Let's see what's in the bag. First, we have Dior 2023 magazine, which is so cool that they gave it to me. Next, we have the receipt. I paid 1800 euros for this bag. And finally, this is the box. It is so nicely packed, so pretty. Okay, here is something, but I don't know what it is. Let's open and see. Oh my god, it's a birthday card. I didn't even tell them it's my birthday. Thank you so much, Dior. Such a lovely gesture. Now we have reached my favorite part of unboxing. So inside the box we have Dior dust bag, inside which is obviously the bag. This is 2-in-1 30 Montaigne Pouch in blue Dior oblique jacquard with gold hardware. I feel it's such a timeless piece which can be styled with any outfit in your wardrobe. It can be worn as casual or as formal as you like. It has the classic city signature on the front and it also has 30 Montaigne written at the back. So that's what the inside of the bag looks like. They have given me the removable and adjustable belt. And this bag also comes with a removable gold chain, so that's also inside of the bag. Okay, inside the bag we have these 4 card slots. We have one patch pocket in the front and we also have this zipped pocket. Inside the zipped pocket we have the authenticity card. And at the back we have another patch pocket. Bag also comes with the hardware which is needed to attach the belt and the chain. It is a perfectly sized wallet on chain. Let's see if an iPhone 12 fits inside. Okay, looks like it does. Next, I'm putting my Gucci card holder. I won't be carrying the card holder because bag already comes with card slots, so I most probably would be using those. And this is my thickest lipstick from Charlotte Tilbury and looks like it fits in fine. I usually carry a smaller lip gloss, so this is just to show you guys. Looks like we still have some space left, and if you want to put your car keys, that would fit in as well. I was able to close the back effortlessly, so that is very good, and the back pocket can be used to keep your travel card, etc. So now let's attach the black adjustable and removable belt. Belt has few holes in it, so you can adjust it as per your dimensions. Okay, so that's how it looks with the belt. It's certainly a casual look and it can be worn over your waist or even on your shoulders. Now let's attach the removable chain strap. Length of the chain is perfect for me, but you can shorten it if you like, just like that. Okay, it looks so gorgeous with the chain, doesn't it? I think I will wear mostly with the chain, but let me know in the comment section which you liked better, strap or the chain. Okay, here I'll be showing you 6 ways in which you can style the bag. For look 1, I'm carrying it as a belt. This look I feel would be perfect for a casual or even an airport look. Same adjustable strap can be worn over shoulders and that will give you a perfect second look. Look 3, I have removed the strap and I'm carrying it as a clutch. I feel this would go perfect with your dresses and evening gowns. For look 4, I'm wearing the bag as crossbody. I'm 5'2" and the length of chain is perfect for me. For look 5, I've simply shortened the length of the chain as I showed earlier in the video and I'm wearing it over my shoulder. And we are down to a final look. In this, I have shortened that chain strap even further and it gives you a perfect evening bag. So that's it for this video. Let me know which look you like the best. I will be doing unboxing of my other handbags soon. So stay tuned and keep supporting the channel. Thank you for watching. Peace.